Oh, he's always moaning.
You won't believe this, right?
No,
you shut up, right? My human is very upset because your human was doing the chickpea stuff and it had it all on its fork, and then he licked the fork thinking it was bloody clean and then dried it on my human's t-shirt like an idiot.
Yeah.
God damn it, you need to butt your ideas up, it's not even
Have
funny.
you got this out of your system yet?
No, it was a clean on t-shirt and your human ruined it.
Good Grains Curried Chickpeas. Now it says vegetarian and up there it says delicious with chicken. No, it's not delicious with chicken because chicken's a live animal. I messed it up. It's a live animal.
Yeah,
it's a sentient being, so it's not delicious with chicken. Chickens might find it delicious. Hey, Mandy? Yeah. Right. So your packaging is definitely going to get a poo-poo because it says it's vegetarian when it's vegan.
0.5
and it says delicious
stars.
with chicken. Should say delicious for chickens.
Hello.
Not with them.
0.5 stars for packaging.
Yeah.
No, it's not stars. Mandy hands.
Mandy hands and Andy hands.
Can't believe it.
So just like straight out there. This is from Aldi. Aldi.
I think they're probably bored with that now.
No.
Yeah.
I like it.
Still not happy with you. Still not happy.
Just get the chickpea stuff so the humans can taste it.
There, got the chickpea stuff. You happy now?
No, I'm not happy.
No.
You got to put it straight. Look.
Yeah, well your human can do it then, can't he?
You got to put it so it's nice.
Your human can do it.
Well, my human did do it. So there. Right. Get the fork. Ow! You hit me in the face.
Good.
Violent.
No, we're not happy with my job.
Well, vegan's not supposed to be violent.
I'm not violent, I was pushing the fork.
Right, so let's give this a quick try. I'll feed you first.
No, I don't like curry. Thank you. I'm not going to do this just because I really, really don't like curry.
You're not going to try it?
It smells okay, but I really don't want
Smell it then.
Yeah, it smells of curry. Ew. But it's not the product. It isn't a product. It's just me being me and not liking curry. I'm sure the product is very nice.
Ooh.
But say you like it.
Oh,
stop
really
spitting! What is wrong with you? Stop spitting!
It's a compliment.
Your human annoyed me. I'm sorry,
Yeah.
I seem very moody right now, but stuff.
Mandy, while my human has another bite, can you show the lovely people the front and the back of the packet?
You just spat on me, I felt it. What is wrong with you?
Oh look, there's me. High in fibre. Take a peek. So it does say vegetarian, but it is vegan. And you can do it in the microwave in just 1 minute. There's all the ingredients. Thank you, Mandy. And the dietary advice. So I can't see a recyclable sign on the packet either. And I think the packaging is maybe just a little bit clumsy. Because it could have said vegan on the packaging. And it couldn't have, it didn't have to mention chicken, you know. So I would agree that it probably is going to be good with chicken, you know, vegan fake chicken or whatever.
You really? You just spat on me again.
People pay good money for that.
Huh?
So
okay, that's funny.
Yeah. So flavour wise, I'm going to give it a 4 out of 5. I would have liked a little bit more heat in it personally, but yeah, packaging, because of the non-vegan labelling and delicious with chicken comment, and the fact the packaging's not recyclable, I'm only going to give it a 2 for packaging. Sorry, that might seem a bit harsh, but you know, if you know, what are you saying?
2 altogether for me, just because I don't like the curry.
But you can't mark it down because you don't like it.
Well, I don't know how it tastes.
Taste is subjective. Well, I'll vote for you. I'll give it a 4 for taste.
4 and 0.5.
Packaging, that's very harsh.
Yeah.
So the overall score, be on the screen. The price will be on the screen. Links in the description for sexy underwear with me and Mandy on it. Not really. Okay, we love you. We'll see you in the next episode. Bye for now.
Bye.
Bye.
Still can't believe you did that on my t-shirt.
No, I'm sorry.